Masu make me look bad, man.
Make you look bad? You're treating this marriage like it's for real.
It at least have appear to look real, Masu.
Anthony, you need to get it together. You're losing it.
Masu, are you aware say I beg me for beg Jay for do this? Is a bar me go find now?
That's your job.
Ooh. I'm trying so hard to keep my end of the bargain. I am make it really difficult, Masu.
What you are doing is investing too much in this woman. Let me remind you, she is a scapegoat.
Yes, I understand that, but you have to at least make her comfortable until after the wedding.
Comfortable. She's getting a 5-star honeymoon that I am paying for. That is so much more than she deserves.
She also deserves some respect. You could at least show her some more respect, Masu.
I show respect for those who earn it. Now, will she be here for the ceremony?
Yes, Masu.
Anthony, are you aware that because of this, you're slackening off?
Ugh. I just really want it to go smoothly. That's all.
And I want us to make the quota for this month.
And we will.
Not at the rate you're going. By the way, Andrew said one of the girls woke up on you the other night.
Yeah. But me sure say, Andrew never tell us say I him no jug the girl them properly, right?
We are 4 girls short with 3 days. They done that as them off the island, so no influx of girls coming in.
But is you sponsor the trip?
I know what I did. That's just me thinking ahead. When they return, we'll have a whole heap of girls coming in.
Great. With that, it's perfect. Because right now, getting local girls is really a hassle.
Don't tell me rubbish. You just need to focus and get this woman to start running the cultural program. And who is this?
Our old friend of Jay.
Okay, I'm guessing I'm early for the rehearsal. Glad it's done.
Where do you call Carlton? Jay invite you?
Obviously. What? You think we're there for crash the wedding?
No. Why you thinking that's stupid?
Wow. Big talk. Oh, hello. I am Carlton Wallace, friend of the bride and acting giveaway father. You are?
Susan Alexander, friend of the groom and mother figure.
That's nice. And your last name is Alexander?
Yes.
Interesting.
Why? We're not allowed to marry outside of our race?
No. That's not it. It just sounds very familiar.
I see.
Anyway, nice meeting you. I'll be outside until the festivities start. Young man, congratulations again. Good luck.
Good evening. Tell me something. I hear so the rehearsal for the wedding I keep.
Yes, and you're a friend of the family?
Actually, I am the giveaway father.